Good morning, students. So, the science subject is completed. The whole syllabus is completed in the previous class only, and there are 5 lessons. Yes, in the science subject there are 5 lessons. First one is life and survival of plants. Second one is life and survival of animals. Third one is reproduction in animals. Fourth one is teeth and microbes, and the fifth one is food and digestion. And all these lessons are finished in the previous classes, and today onwards we are going to start the revision on these particular lessons. Okay, see, first of all these 5 lessons will come to the exam. No lessons that I am going to skip. Okay, ಯಾವ ಲೆಸನ್ ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಲೆಸನ್ಸು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾವ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈಗೇನು ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಲೆಸನ್ ವೈಸ್ ಲೆಸನ್ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ, ರಿವಿಷನನ್ನು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಲೆಸನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1. ಓಕೆ, that is the life and survival of plants. Okay, so in this lesson I am going to give you multiple choice questions. Fill in the blanks, write true or false, match the following, short answer type questions and long answer type questions. Okay, ivella bartava. Okay, see, open the page number. First one 107. In the open page number 107, 108 and 109. Okay, first lesson. This is related for first lesson, life and survival of plants. So page number 107 ಒಳಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಓದಬೇಕು. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್, ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 4 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತಾವ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 108. ಓಕೆ, fill in the blanks is there. 108 ಒಳಗೆ fill in the blanks ಐತಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ write true or false is there. Okay, and match the following is there, and also short answer type questions are there. Okay, ಅವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತಾವ. and in the page number 109 ಒಳಗೆ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದಾವು? 3 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ. ನಾ ಬರ್ಷಿನ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಐ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ವರ್ಷನ್ ಈ ಪಾಠದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಐತಿ. ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಸಿ ದ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ and complete it today itself. And you should buy it all of these questions and answers. Multiple choice questions, fill in the blanks, write true or false, match the following, answer the short answer type questions and long answer type questions. Okay, so let's discuss all of these one time. Multiple choice question. First question ಏನೈತಿ, which of the following is an example of a tree that grows in a hilly areas? I will give you the options in the exam also. Okay, so A cedar, B lotus, C hydrilla. The answer is A cedar. Okay, so if ನೀವು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋರಿ, ಈಗ ಬರ್ಕೋರಿ in the textbook, put the right mark for the cedar. Cedar is an example of a tree that grows in the hilly areas. Okay, the second question is, plants that grow in marshy areas are called, what we call them? First one, A mangroves, B aquatic plants, C insectivorous plants. So the answer is A mangroves. Yes, mangroves are called as marshy areas. Okay, now third one is, a lotus plant has dash. A broad leaves, B very thin leaves, C needle like leaves. Yes, a lotus plant is having broad leaves. Next, fourth one, Venus flytrap traps insects with the help of dash. A stomata, B roots, C leaves. Yes, Venus flytrap trap the insects with the help of leaves. Answer C, leaves. Okay, now after this fill in the blanks. Okay, 5 questions are there, fill in the blanks. First one, trees growing in the hilly hills have dash shaped leaves. Yes, trees growing in the hills have needle shaped leaves. ಯಾವ ಶೇಪ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರ್ತಾವ? needle shape. Okay, second one, plants in hot and dry areas are called as, we call them cactus. Okay, third one, trees in the plains shed their leaves in the dash. In which season they shed their leaves? In the winter season. Okay, now the fourth one, Olpia is an example of dash plant. It is an example for the floating plants. Okay, Fifth one is dash plants have no stomata. Which plants have no stomata? Underwater plants. Underwater plants, they doesn't have stomata. Okay. Next, write true or false. First question is cactus makes its food by its spines. Yes, it is true. Okay, it is true because cactus do not have leaves. Instead of they are having spines and they prepare their food in the spines only. That is true. Okay. And second one is Coscuta is a type of insectivorous plant. It is a false. It is not an insectivorous plant. Okay. Third one is places with sticky and clayey soils are called as swamps. Yes, it is true. These are called as swamps. Fourth one is plants growing in hills areas are called as aquatic plants. No, it is false. Okay. Then what are the aquatic plants? The plants which grow in the water are called as aquatic plants. So it is false. Next, fifth one is cactus grows in dry desert areas. Yes, it is true. As you know that cactus do not need more water and it can survive without water for several days. So, cactus plants you can see in the dry desert areas. It is true. Okay. So, after this match the following is there. First one is plant in marshes. What is the correct answer for the plant in marshes? That is mangroves. Which kind of plants you can see in the marshes areas? You can see mangroves. Okay. Second one is plants on hills. Which kind of plants you can see in the hills areas? Those are the fir. F-I-R. Fir. Okay. Third one is plants in the desert. Which kind of plants you can see in the desert areas? You can see cactus. Cactus is the best example for the desert plant. Okay. Now fourth one is insectivorous plant. The example for the insectivorous plant is Venus flytrap. Okay. And fifth one is parasitic plant. The example for the parasitic plant is Coscuta. Next, sixth one is underwater plant. The example for the underwater plant is the Hydrilla. Okay. Which Hydrilla plant doesn't have a stomata in it as it is present under the water. Okay. And seventh one is fixed water plant. What is that? Fixed water plant. The example for the fixed water plant is called as lotus. Lotus is the example for the fixed water plant. Okay. So these are the some questions. After this, the short answer type questions are there. So there are 5 questions. Avu ella 5 questions answer na niಮಗೆ ಬರ್ಸೀನಿ. Open your notebook, read it. Okay. Out of those 5 questions, any questions can come in the exam. ಯಾವ question ಆದರೂ ಬರಬಹುದು. Okay. First one, how does the cactus survive in the desert? Second one, how does the Venus flytrap trap the insects with the help of their leaves? Okay. Third one is the what kind of plants grow in the swamps. Fourth one, how have plants in cold places adapt themselves to the surroundings. Fifth one, why do floating plants have a waxy coating on their leaves? Okay. So all those 5 questions will come in the exam. Any questions out of 5, any questions will come. So read it well. So next, long answer type questions are there. First one, how are the plants in the plains different from the plants that grow in the hilly areas? So hilly areas ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ hilly areas ಒಳಗೆ ಬೆಳೆಯುವಂತ plants ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ plains ಒಳಗೆ ಬೆಳೆಯುವಂತ plants ಗೆ difference ಏನೈತಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಾರ. Okay? So answers na ಬರ್ಸೀನಿ. Read that. Second question is describe 3 types of aquatic plants. There are 3 types of aquatic plants. Those are the floating plants, fixed plants and underwater plants. ಅವು ಮೂರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ. In the third question, what are the main differences between terrestrial plants and aquatic plants? Terrestrial plants are the plants which can grow on the land are called as terrestrial plants, and what are the aquatic plants? The plants which can grow in the water are called as aquatic plants. And there is much difference ಐತೆ ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಬರ್ಷಿದ ಆನ್ಸರನ್ನು ಓದಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಸನ್. ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 107, 108, 109 ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಓದ್ರಿ. ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ that will be present in the question paper. Okay. So this is about the first lesson. Second lesson, life and survival of animals is there. Okay. So about the second lesson we will discuss in next class. Okay. Which kind of questions will come? What is the question paper pattern? Okay. Those all things we will study in the tomorrow's class. So first prepare for the first lesson today. After seeing this video, just go to your study table. Read everything, practice all the questions from the first lesson at least. And about the second question I will tell you in the next class.